Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgi here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 14th. A lot of volatility here this morning already. It's a little after 9 o'clock right now. Volatility is that's one of the hot button words that are going around right now. We're seeing a lot of inflow of volume. Big volume trade for corn, beans, and wheat. We're starting to see this volume pick up, which is causing a lot of this volatility. Beans right now down about 6 to 7 cents. You got corn down about a penny. Wheat sitting about unchanged to maybe a little lower. But we're seeing a lot of questions and a lot of guys talking about beans. What are we doing? Are we switching acres? I had a guy call me from up in North Dakota. He said, well, I'm thinking about planting beans. Well, everybody is. Because we've got now more than $1 off our lows that we had. Things are looking good. You're not getting this rally yet for corn. So are we buying acres, right? The idea of buying acres. Well, you're starting to get more guys switching. A lot of guys talking more on these fringe areas, the lower yielding ground that guys haven't put down anhydrous or any kind of fertilizer yet. These guys are now moving and shifting that to beans as well. So we have seen some shifting and a lot of guys talking about the beans on this rally. So we'll see if this can continue. But don't underestimate the corn as well. Corn now is above that 100-day moving average. Today, if corn closes stronger, it'll be the second time we see a close above the 100-day moving average. And that actually is going to look pretty positive for corn. So next area for May corn up around 378 to 380. So keep that in mind. Now, beans are above where we were to start the year. Corn has not taken that out. That's at 378 and a quarter, 378 and a half, right above that area. If that gets taken out, now we've made some new highs for the year. Crude oil did it. Beans have done it. And we're seeing other commodities doing it. So it's an inflow of buying into commodities in general. We know the funds are short. The funds are reducing their position at this point and giving some further upside. So be careful. We're starting to see this shift and this change, but there's still a lot of cash that needs to be moved out in the country as well. So we'll see as we go through today into tomorrow. A lot of these terms and a lot of these words, you're going to hear more of that as we go forward. So we'll see. A lot of cash sales talked about being made at these levels as well. Livestock. Cattle right now down a little bit. Box beef was up, but the concerns yet of seeing falling cash prices still looming over the cattle and starting to see this market break, but expect to see some back and forth trade out of cattle here today. Hogs back and forth as well. We did have cutout values up $1.12 yesterday, finding a little bit of support, but really we probably aren't going to see too much. We saw these back months for hogs down hard yesterday, and we took out some very key technical points. So some further downside may be in the future, but as of this morning, lighter trade. Stock market up a little bit, just 12 points. Crude oil a little higher at this point, and the dollar as well, sitting about unchanged to a little bit higher as well. So watch the grain markets, a lot of volatility, a lot of volume being thrown around. So call us if you have questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. Enjoy the weather, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.